Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to talk about a couple different ways that you can make $100 a day in 2020. Now these methods are universal as far as age goes, so it doesn't matter if you're a teenager, an adult. I can guarantee you that you can make some money using all these methods. So y'all know exactly how we do it on this channel. Let's jump right into it. All right, so the number one thing that I'm gonna recommend is freelance services. I can testify the hardest for freelance services, and you know why? Because since 2015, I've been a graphic designer myself, and some days I've made more than $100 a day doing graphic design. Now, freelance services isn't just graphic design. It's photography, it's video editing, it's writing, it's basically any service that you can provide. Now, it's also very easy to teach yourself all the skills that I just mentioned, as me myself once again is 100% self-taught in graphic design. Now I'm gonna keep it real with you. It took me about 2 months to just get to the point where I was confident enough to where I could charge people, but hey, it could actually happen faster for you. So basically it goes like this. If you choose graphic design or photography or even videography or video editing or whatever, make you an Instagram account, post all your work, even the work you do practicing. Post all your work, use the relevant hashtags, and I promise you, clients will start rolling in. So definitely look into freelance services, whether it's writing for people, doing voiceovers, graphic design, photography, you name it, look into it. All right, so the next way is digital sales. And you can actually make what they call passive income by doing this. And I promise you, doing this, anybody can make some serious money. So digital files are ebooks, PDFs, sometimes audio files, art files, you name it. So we all experts in something, right? We all know how to do something, whether it's washing a car, whether it's baking a cake, how to properly walk a dog. There's somebody out there willing to learn how to do it your way. And it doesn't always have to be something that you just know how to do. It can be something that's very useful that you took the time out to do that nobody else has. All right, so for instance, in my case, I took the time out to go through and list all the values of the current iPhones, what their market value is currently today, right? I put it together in a PDF, made a nice little cover for it, and then threw it online for sale. And I actually made a couple sales doing that. Now, Etsy is the leader as far as digital files, as far as a marketplace goes. However, there's several different places that allow you to sell digital files. So I'll list a couple in the description, but just Google sell digital files and you'll find a lot. I know Teespring has just added that as well. But I want to stress to you that in order to get your ebook out, or whether it's your ebook or whatever your digital file is, to get it out, you got to exhaust all your options, okay? That means Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And on Etsy, you don't have to, so to say, get it out there simply because it's a different type of game. So on Etsy, you'd be competing with other people to try to get them to buy your ebook or file or whatever instead of the next person's. But just to get ideas on certain things, go to Etsy and search for different ebooks and files that are currently being searched. Try to find one that isn't so competitive, a topic or a field that isn't so competitive, and see if you can top one of those. There are several ebook making softwares online. However, I made mine on Adobe InDesign. But if you're not familiar with Adobe programs, you can make one on Microsoft Word. You can make one on PowerPoint if you wanted to. Just keep in mind that you want it to look attractive. You want it to look somewhat professional. You want it to look like, hey, you want to spend your money to get this ebook or file or whatever. And so if you have to, pay a graphic designer to get a cover. Or if you don't want to spend what a graphic designer would charge, go to Fiverr and pay $5 for someone to make you a cover, because they will. All right, the next thing, dollar store flip. You can actually do this model without this app, but I'm going to go ahead and shout this app out because it sort of brings it all into one, so you don't have to go to separate places to do it. So there's an app called Shop Savvy, right? And what you do on this app is it allows you to scan an item, and then it'll show you what that item is selling for in various different marketplaces, right? So what I would do is I'd go to these dollar stores and maybe go to the clearance aisle where all the name brand dish soap is now down to $1, or deodorant, or even toothpaste or whatever. And now you're gonna need some time, but you just sit there and you scan everything until you find, okay, this profit margin is worth my time. You could even take that to another level. It's something called couponing, right? And with couponing, I'm not gonna get into a heavy lesson on couponing, but it's basically people who collect coupons and get a bunch of free stuff. Now, if you're couponing and you're getting items for free, then your profit margins are gonna be great. So that's a way that you can actually take that to the next level. And like I said, if you're gonna do that, if you're gonna grab those type of items, I want to stress to you that it's important that you get brands. Nobody's really looking for off-brand deodorant, especially online or anything like that. So make sure you're grabbing brands. Last thing that I'm gonna recommend you do to make you an easy 100 a day, affiliate marketing. And I know if you're anything like me, you are really tired of hearing that. But let me give you the sauce in a way that'll make you think like, okay, maybe I can do it. So for the people who aren't hip to what affiliate marketing is, if you've been living under a rock, affiliate marketing is basically, there's a company, there's me. If I can get you to buy from this company, the company gives me a percentage of that sale. That's basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So several different types of companies actually do have affiliate programs, right? Anywhere from health supplements to software. Now this way it's a lot of footwork, all right? And you really have to get active on social media, but it can work. You just gotta follow me. So in order to become an affiliate with any company, it's basically as easy as signing up for an account, as most companies do approve most people. Now, Amazon affiliates is definitely the most popular simply because Amazon carries a bunch of products. So if you can get people to click these links and buy, then you win. But here's the sauce, and here's how I used to make some money off of affiliate marketing, right? So I used to camp out on Twitter. You can go in Twitter and you can search for different keywords, right? You can even search for exact phrases, real time. I would camp out on Twitter and I would search for the term I want and then blank. All right. And then it would a bunch of stuff. It would be all these people tweeting this stuff about what they want. All right. So I'd take an hour or two out of my day and I would go through Amazon, make links for all these products, because you have to make your own link as far as affiliate marketing. So I would reply to these people, hey, I bought this steering wheel here, I love it. And so what you're doing is you're basically finding people, finding what they want, and then finding links on Amazon, which you get paid for if they buy. And you're basically trying not to sound like a robot and just saying, hey, here this product is. And you would be surprised how many people will click and buy it. And here's the cool thing with Amazon too. Let's say they clicked on it, but they didn't buy my product that I recommended, but they bought something else. I still got a percentage on it. So don't just limit yourself to Amazon. Try other affiliates. If there's something especially you're passionate about, or if you're in the health and fitness, world, then try to find a supplement company that you can get an affiliate partnership with, because at the end of the day, not many companies are going to turn down, hey, you're going to bring me more sales and I just got to pay you a percentage. So affiliate marketing is definitely something that can help you make 100 a day. So that's all I wanted to talk about today, man. I wanted to give y'all a couple ways that you can make 100 a day. If you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. That tells the algorithm that your boy is working hard. So just wanted to give y'all a quick update on this Wednesday, man. Let me know if this helped y'all down in the comments, or if you know somebody that can benefit from this, please don't hesitate to share it with them. So I'm gonna sign off for tonight. Also check out one of these other videos that are about to come up next. I'm gonna sign out for tonight. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.